So, now we will do next topic, that is power. So, see here, what do you mean by power? Power is defined as, we can write here, it is rate of doing work is called power. We can say also rate of producing energy, rate of consumption of energy, because work energy is measured by work done. So, we can write all these things are power. If any machine is generating energy and you calculate how much energy is being generated per unit time, you can say that is the power of machine. If any device is consuming energy, so you calculate energy consumed by device per second per unit time is referred as power of the machine in that device. So, now here it is the rate of doing work is called power. We can write power is equal to, we have taken symbol P, for that W upon, that means work done upon time. So, we can write power is equal to W by T. If you measure work done in joule and time is in second, so we can write power is equal to 1 watt. When the work is done at the rate of 1 joule per second, power is said to be 1 watt. So, SI unit of power is watt. We can use other units of power also, like a kilowatt, kW for the kilowatt. Kilowatt means 1000 watt. Another we can use megawatt, MW. Megawatt means that is million. We can write here 10 raised to power 6 watts. So, these are the different units of the power which we use. And also we can use one thing about this, that is called horsepower. 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watts. So, these are the different units used for measuring power. Now, after this power, we can calculate energy consumed by using power. If we know the power and time, we can calculate energy consumed. Let us do energy. Consumed energy we have to calculate. So, we can take calculations of energy. See, as I have told, power is equal to energy upon time, that means work upon time. We can write energy is equal to power into time. If you are taking power is equal to 1 kilowatt and time is equal to 1 hour, so you can write energy is equal to 1 kilowatt into 1 hour. This we call it 1 kilowatt hour. This 1 kilowatt hour is equal to actually 1 unit of energy. So, it is very common unit we use for the electricity bills. Here whenever you consume electricity, you get electricity bill in units. So, 1 unit means 1 kilowatt hour. So, we can write here kilowatt hour is commercial unit of energy. So, kilowatt hour is commercial unit of energy. Now, we can do relations between commercial unit of energy and SI unit of energy. What is the SI unit of energy? You must be knowing, that is joule, and commercial unit of energy is kilowatt hour.